Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we are going to start our English speaking part 132 and friends, today we are going to continue the same topic that we will discuss about swasthya means health related sentences in our English language. So friends, let's start our English speaking part 132. Swasthya means health. So friends, those sentences in which we basically mention about our illness or how to cure them or when to visit the doctor or when to consult the doctor up to talk about our disease so that we can easily cure them by taking medicines, or in which we directly mention about our health related sentences are known as health related sentences. So friends, let's see them with examples. व्यायाम सभी रोगों की अचूक दवा है. So in English it means exercise is a panacea for all diseases. So friends, basically it is a saying because we normally say that व्यायाम सभी रोगों की अचूक दवा है, and friends we should follow it regularly in our daily life because friends if we perform regular physical activity daily on regular basis then no disease will come towards us, means we will be purely perfectly fit and fine emotionally, mentally and physically. So व्यायाम सभी रोगों की अचूक दवा है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स एक्सरसाइज इज अ पैनेशिया फॉर ऑल डिजीजेस. सो फ्रेंड्स, सिंस दिस सेंटेंस इज बेसिकली अ सेइंग एंड इट इज मेंशनिंग अबाउट द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ डूइंग एक्सरसाइज, सो इट इज ए हेल्थ रिलेटेड सेंटेंस. मुझे प्राय मधुमेह रहती है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स आई ऑफन हैव शुगर. फ्रेंड्स, द सेंटेंस बेसिकली मीन्स दैट द पर्सन इज बेसिकली मेंशनिंग अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर डिजीज. सो इज बेसिकली मेंशनिंग दैट कि मुझे प्राय मधुमेह रहती है, means I often have sugar. So sugar is basically a disease, friends. Basically a disease which normally happens to some persons if they do not follow it proper healthcare routine or do not perform physical exercise or according to age it may happen. So मुझे प्राय मधुमेह रहती है. So in English it means I often have sugar. So friends, basically it is a present type sentence, and since in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about a particular disease which he is facing for a quite long time, so it is a health related sentence. मुझे बुखार लग रहा है. So in English it means I am feeling feverish. So the sentence basically means, friends, a patient is basically mentioning about the fever. He is basically saying कि मुझे बुखार लग रहा है, मतलब मुझे आज तबीयत ठीक नहीं लग रही, मुझे बुखार लग रहा है. So in English it means I am feeling feverish. So friends, basically it is a present type sentence and it happens with everyone, friends, because fever can come anytime to anyone. So friends, मुझे बुखार लग रहा है. So in English it means I am feeling feverish. So friends, basically it is a present type sentence, and since in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about the fever or the disease which he is facing, so it is a health related sentence. किसी डॉक्टर को दिखाओ. So in English it means consult a or some doctor. So friends, the sentence basically means that the another person or the well wisher is basically ordering or giving suggestion to a patient कि भाई किसी डॉक्टर को दिखाओ, मीन्स तुम्हें कुछ बीमारी लग रही है तो तुम जाओ किसी डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करो. सो किसी डॉक्टर को दिखाओ. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स कंसल्ट ए सम डॉक्टर. सो फ्रेंड्स, इट हैपेंस विद अस आल्सो, फ्रेंड्स, if we feel ill and we are feeling ill, we feel ill for a long time and it doesn't get cured. So our well wishers or our parents basically advise us that we should go and visit the doctor and tell him about the disease which you are facing, so that he may give us advice or he may prescribe some medicines so that we can get it cured easily. So friends, similarly in this sentence, किसी डॉक्टर को दिखाओ. So in English it means consult some doctor. So since this sentence is basically a friends a suggestion giving type or an order and command giving type sentence to a person, so it is a health related sentence. उसका बुखार उतर गया है. So in English it means his fever is down. The sentence basically means that the person or the doctor is basically mentioning about the fever of a particular person, that his fever is down, means उस patient ने regular दवाई खाई जिसकी वजह से उसका बुखार उतर गया है. So उसका बुखार उतर गया है. So in English it means his fever is down. So friends, basically it is a present type sentence. Since in this sentence the doctor or another person is basically mentioning about the downfall of the fever of a particular patient, so it is a health related sentence. अब रोगी खतरे से बाहर है. So in English it means now the patient is out of danger. The sentence basically means that the person or the patient went out for some ailment or some treatment in the hospital, etc. So after treating him properly, the hospital staff or they are basically saying कि अब रोगी खतरे से बाहर है, means his life is saved. So in English it means now the patient is out of danger. So friends, since this sentence is basically a present type sentence, and since in this sentence the medical staff or the hospital staff is basically assuring the family members of a patient that the patient is now basically out of danger, means his life is safe now. So अब रोगी खतरे से बाहर है. So in English it means now the patient is out of danger. So in this sentence, since this sentence is mentioning about the patient who has come out or who has beaten all his life-threatening possibilities, he has come out from danger. So it is a health-related sentence. उसको बहुत चोट लगी है. So in English it means he is badly hurt. The sentence basically means that the person is basically mentioning about the hurt of a particular person. So the person is basically mentioning कि उसको बहुत चोट लगी है. So in English it means he is badly hurt. So friends, basically it is a present type sentence, and hurt and bruises and these kind of things can happen with anyone, friends. So we should take care. If kids are playing in playground, they normally get hurt because during playing they may get hurt. After they can fall down or they can do anything. It happens normally with everyone, friends. So we should avoid it. So in this sentence, उसको बहुत चोट लगी है. So in English it means he is badly hurt. So since in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about the person who has got hurt badly, so it is a health related sentence. उसकी तबीयत ढीली है. So in English it means he is not feeling well. The sentence basically means that the person is mentioning about a particular person who is not feeling well, means उसकी तबीयत ढीली है. So उसकी तबीयत ढीली है means he is not feeling well. So it is a present type sentence, friends. And since in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about the temperature or about the physical activity of a particular person that he is not feeling well, means उसकी तबीयत ढीली है. So it is a health related sentence. वह एक तंदुरुस्त बच्चा है. So in English it means he is a healthy child. The sentence basically means that the hospital staff is basically or nurse is basically mentioning about a small child. So basically she is saying कि वह एक तंदुरुस्त बच्चा है, मीन्स जो बच्चा पैदा हुआ है वो बिल्कुल तंदुरुस्त है. So in English it means he is a healthy child. So friends, it is basically a present type sentence. Since in this sentence the nurse is basically mentioning about the child who is basically healthy, so वह एक तंदुरुस्त बच्चा है. So in English it means he is a healthy child. So it is a present type sentence, friends. And since this sentence is related to health, so it is a health type sentence. इलाज से परहेज अच्छा है. So in English it means prevention is better than cure. The sentence is, friends, basically it is a saying, means it should be followed by everyone in their life. So basically they are saying इलाज से परहेज अच्छा है means prevention is better than cure. So friends, basically it is a present type sentence. Since in this sentence they are basically trying to say if we avoid some particular things which are not good for our health, so it is much better than cure, because if we take them or if we eat them which is not suitable for our health, then definitely we are going to get ill, and for that treatment of that illness we have to spend lot of money. So in this sentence they want to say इलाज से परहेज अच्छा है. So in English it means prevention is better than cure. Since this sentence is a, friends, present type sentence, and since this sentence is basically a suggestion giving type sentence, so it is a health related sentence. राजी बहुत कमजोर है. So in English it means Rajiv is very weak. Friends, this sentence is basically a physical deformity type sentence, because in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about a person who is basically very weak in his physical appearance. So Rajiv बहुत कमजोर है. Since Rajiv is the name of a person, so it is a noun. So in English it means Rajiv is very weak. So it is a, friends, present type sentence. Since in this sentence they are basically mentioning about the person who is very much weak or thin in his physical appearance or physical posture, so it is a health related sentence. मच्छरों ने नाक में दम कर रखा है. So in English it means mosquitoes are a menace. Friend, this sentence is basically mentioning about some insects which have created nuisance to a particular person's life. So मच्छरों ने नाक में दम कर रखा है. So friend, मच्छर means basically mosquitoes which normally hurts us during night when we try to sleep. They move around us and they bite us. So we should avoid that kind of situation. So friend, basically mosquitoes is a noun because it is a name of a insect. So मच्छरों ने नाक में दम कर रखा है. So in English it means mosquitoes are a menace. So friends, basically it is a present type sentence, and since in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about a particular insect who is normally disturbing group of persons while sleeping. So it is a health related sentence. उसे पुराना बुखार है. So in English it means he has chronic fever. The sentence basically means that the person is basically mentioning about a patient who is suffering from old fever. So he is basically saying उसे पुराना बुखार है. So in English it means he has a chronic fever. So friend, basically it is a present type sentence. Since in this sentence the person is saying उसे पुराना बुखार है means he has chronic fever. So in this sentence he is basically trying to mention about a particular type of fever which that patient is suffering. So it is a health related sentence. So friends, this was the English speaking part 132 in which I tried to explain you about swasthya means health related sentences in our English language. So friends, I hope you would have find it easier to understand about health related sentences in our English language, because friends, health related sentences we normally use in our day-to-day life because illness do occur in everyone's life, either due to change in weather or change in season or change in climate, etc. So friends, these are those sentences which we either in which we try to mention about our illness, or we try to take medicine or consult doctor to cure our illness, to cure our disease, etc., or to do a particular physical activity so that we may remain fit in our life. So friends, kindly practice these kind of sentences in your spare time. Either try to talk in front of mirror or try to talk with your parents, friends, relatives, etc. And ultimately with the passage of time, you will realize that your personality has groomed, your confidence has boosted up, and ultimately you have become a fluent English speaker. So friends, kindly like, share, subscribe my channel, and please do press the bell icon in the subscription box, and I will also share my Instagram and Facebook link in the description box below. So friends, at last I would request you, please keep practicing these sentences daily, and at some point of time you will realize that you have become a perfect and fluent English speaker in front of bigger perspective. So friends, thanks for your valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.